I I just did something cooler than nobody's ever seen before in their life. All right, one more race. You guys ready? Ready as I'll ever be, man. Here we go.
Ready for pain, followed by suffering.
All right, no cutting the track. Bill, Mix. I will go for you. Oh, Mix, you disconnected. R.I.P., man.
You heard that and dipped instantly.
Yep. You know, so this DJ, I guess you would consider him a DJ. I don't really know it. Producer, I guess you would say. Metro Boomin. He's like, I sent you a clip on TikTok, but he sampled the speech from The Boys. Oh my god, what was the character's name? The guy that portrays like basically Superman.
I am done being persecuted for my
Homelander's
strength.
speech, yeah. Shit. Rip.
I got a far left gate anyway.
That was the worst
I
time
thought I
of my
could
life.
get washed, man. I drove straight into him.
Okay, well, we're in last place. Let's go. Time to go hard. Nabo, R.I.P. Nabo, cut the track and catch up to me.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Rip.
Did I take you out?
Nah, I don't think so. I just died.
Start of the back. Clear it. Clear it. Scrub.
Oh my. Tyrone just took me out.
Let's go, Tyrone. Keep it up.
Washed. Oh.
Liam, that's not the track, dude.
Nope. Pogo stick. Sorry, Narvo.
Crap. Crap. All right, let's see if we can clutch up. We got two people in front of us. Make that three people in front of us. Oh, that was Nub up there, man. Nub, what are you doing so far back, man?
I got a tear. I was last on the start. And then I got punted by Tyrone.
I hear excuses.
I'm hearing
You're not
lies,
even
man.
in here.
Chad, I love how there's no cut penalty for after or before the finish. You can go super wide on that finish. Sheesh. Okay, clear it. Oh, Tyrone down. Let's go. Much better race than the first one shot. I could see the leaders this time. I just did something cooler than nobody's ever seen before in their life. Tyrone, do not cut that again. You gotta let both of us
The
pass.
guy said you can go wide on the last corner, man.
Hey, I'm not saying you could do it.
You said exactly that.
Nah. Oh, okay, well, yes. But that's not what I meant. I meant, like, you could do it, but you better not be doing it. Does that make
Got
sense?
you, man.
Chat, they got him. I just did like a barrel roll over the wall jump. It was lit. Okay, okay. No, no, no. That's not what we wanted. That's not what we wanted, chat. That's not what we wanted. Kazi, I'm sorry. That's not what we wanted. Definitely not what we wanted. Now I'm almost in last. I was in third, man. Rip. I was in second.
What's happening, man?
I'm just self-destructing. This is like from last year. I made a classic TikTok of you sounding like an LMG from with your voice with Rambo. Yeah, do you remember that? Yeah, that was classic. Classic. Oh, chat. White flag. I needed to clutch up.
You mean blue
Kazi.
flag?
Kazi just did a front flip. Shall we go for it? Oh shit. Oh, those brick walls, I don't know if they're solid. Oh, I hit a kicker, chat. I hit a kicker. Not good. Zug, you should have saw this earlier, dude. There's 40 gates for this tiny supercross track. Okay.
This is super track?
Yeah, this is the Minio Supercross. We had 40 people on it. Can you imagine? Like how hell it is. Wow, hurtful. We're gonna do it as long as we possibly can, man.
Yep, 10 more motos. It's 24 hours.
Yep, 24-hour race, man.
Actually, because I want to know if I should join or not.
No, you shouldn't join. All right, well.
Are you saying this because you're ending, or are you just saying it because I don't
Oh.
A little bit of both, low-key.